Hashimoto disease. This book is 2017 and it was written not by a doctor. She's a pharmacist and she got this Hashimoto in her life. I don't have Hashimoto, but I'm going to endocrinologist for 20 years because I have nodules. I never had any medication for my thyroid. So, and overall, it's covered a lot of topics. For example, liver support protocol, adrenal, gut, and even they have advanced root cause assessment. Actually, that one is very interesting. Let's see what it says actually. You need to do checkboxes. Let's do by thyroid hormones assessment. So you answer was doing all this checkbox. Nutrition assessment. If you have any vegan experience in the past, or you were anemic or whatever. Then interesting part, traumatic stress assessment, infection assessment, toxin assessment. And actually, this is enormous protocol. It's like, I don't know, if I will have such diagnosis, I will read that book, I will, what? Seriously, I need to do all this stuff? That's a lot. That's basically changing your whole life. From diet, you need to buy a lot of supplements. She is not promoting her supplements, which is good because a lot of books just promoting the supplements and it's talk about supplements and nothing else. This is not such a book. Actually, this is my second book for Hashimoto disease. And on first book, I didn't see any chapter about traumatic stress, like bad nutrition, thyroid hormones, and toxic. Usually infection, not on every single book too. That's and what interesting, I can tell you. Let's say here, I had an abusive or traumatic childhood. And here's the a reason why I'm talking about this one, because my program exactly for releasing childhood trauma. I had a lot of childhood trauma as well. Some of them I don't recall. I know because my parents told me. Some of them I do recall. And that's really very important, by the way. And it can be a reason why you have Hashimoto, why you have such diagnosis. And sometimes Hashimoto runs in a family. Like everyone had Hashimoto, like grandmother, your mother, you had that Hashimoto when you were like as a child. It's like a multi-generational trauma. So, and what she is writing here in the book, that despite she was doing all these, let's say, gluten-free protocol, dairy-free protocol, like removing toxin, she still didn't resolve her issue. Look, think about it. Everyone is talking like you need to quit dairy and gluten, and it's going to solve your problem. No, apparently not for every single person. For some of them, yes, it's solving. But there are still a lot of people who do not benefit, but they having less nutrition in their diet. And you need to replace that with something. If you remove any specific food from your diet, you need to replace it with something. For example, I'm not gluten-free. I had a test. I do not have celiac disease, but I had to quit almost all dairy product. I still eat butter because butter does not have casein. And actually, I tried even some cow alternatives like buffalo, goat, but I don't like the taste and it didn't make any difference actually. So I'm not sure what exactly my problem, but I can eat butter, which is good. Because for me, replacing butter in my diet, it's like too much. That's too much. So, and she has a chapter about what she done for releasing trauma. She doesn't say exactly what kind of trauma, and I cannot say that that chapter very big in terms of what exactly she done. But I think every single person will need some emotional support, because if you're gonna follow these protocols, that's a lot of changes in your life. It's quite difficult, and our brain usually more on conservative side. And like, this is dramatic change. I don't know how one person can do that completely by itself. The only new information for me was about infection, toxic assessment. There are a lot of things about, for example, copper toxicity that can be coming from your pipes, water pipes. Or maybe something, I don't recall actually exactly. That's a lot of thing on that topic, and I completely read 1 month ago. So I kind of do not recall much. But I think the most missing part, whenever I was looking any topic about Hashimoto, I don't recall many topics about you need to address your trauma, or you need to change whenever you having like learned behaviors, whatever you have in your life. That's, for some reason, that's not enough on internet. And by the way, if you have any information, if you come across, please leave a comment below. I want to know, because that's what I found out, at least. All my health problems were related to trauma, nothing else. Going back, I can tell you for sure. And I know about Hashimoto because my endocrinologist in America, at some point, and one appointment, he gave me paper with Hashimoto. Like, look at like, what he's giving to me. He didn't say much because my antibodies quite low. It's around 20, between 20 and 30. And Hashimoto, as far as I know, consider it as an issue when your antibodies much higher. I don't recall exact number, maybe more than 100. So thanks for watching. And if you have Hashimoto disease, please let me know and what exactly you've done, what helped to you, because Hashimoto apparently is on rise. It's kind of silent pandemic right now, especially in women. And why is women? Exactly in women that's happening, because women are more susceptible to traumas compared to men. There is a reason behind that one actually. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel and please participate in my 4 weeks program. It's free and it takes only 10 minutes per day. And it doesn't mean you have to do really like every single day. No, you can do completely on your own pace. You can start with twice per week, then increase 3 times per week, then increase like 4 times per week. And eventually you will do every single day. And 1 month actually probably not enough. You probably will need to do that somatic exercises for 3 months. It might sound a lot, but eventually you will be used to that one. You will benefit from that one. Apparently, I'm not a very disciplined person, and I was doing every single day, and then eventually I stopped it because I had so much better sleep, my digestion improved, and I said and I stopped doing it. But what I learned, I need to keep doing that one. So I'm trying to do. I do my best to do it every single day, but I don't. Okay. Thanks. Bye.